children, today let's start with chapter number 7, algorithm and flowchart. So in this chapter, I will tell you about how to make a flowchart and your algorithm. Now, algorithm and flowchart, they are two different ways of presenting the process of solving problem. देखो, algorithm और flowchart से बात करें, दोनों अलग-अलग चीजें, ठीक है? So algorithm क्या होता है? इसमें sets of steps होते हैं, जिसमें आपको एक particular problem को solve करना. और while जो flowcharts हैं, they are the steps which is usually displayed in shapes. देखो, circle, rectangular, polygon, different shapes का use करके हम क्या करते हैं? इसको बनाते हैं. So flowcharts are the diagram that visually present the process of solving problem. They are drawn step by step. Now algorithm for setting a school bag. Open your bag. आप अपने बैग को ओपन करेंगे, आप स्कूल डायरी लेंगे, टाइम टेबल देखेंगे, and go to cupboard where your books are kept. Take out required books and notebooks. Put them in a bag and close. Algorithm of finding the sum of product. आप फर्स्ट नंबर डालेंगे, सेकंड नंबर डालेंगे और थर्ड डालेंगे, A, B, C. Right? And what happen next? You will calculate three number A plus B plus C, the product A into B into Z. So print sum and product. और हम sum और product दोनों को print करेंगे. Now we have flowchart. It refers to pictorial representation of steps and algorithm that is used for solving specific problem. Right? We have start and stop box. ये हम ending के लिए और स्टार्टिंग के लिए यूज करते हैं. इनपुट बॉक्स, जो भी आपको इनपुट या डाटा देना है वो देंगे आप. रेक्टेंगल बॉक्सेस, प्रोसेसिंग बॉक्स, जिसमें आप इंस्ट्रक्शन देंगे, कैलकुलेशन करेंगे. डिसीजन बॉक्स फॉर चेकिंग एंड अप्लाइंग द कंडीशन. एंड फ्लो लाइंस, दे आर शो डायरेक्शन, जो साइड डायरेक्शन दिखाते हैं. रूल्स फॉर ड्रॉइंग फ्लो चार्ट. द प्रोसेस ऑफ ड्रॉइंग अ फ्लो चार्ट फॉर एल्गोरिथम, इट इज कॉल्ड एल्गोरिथम रिप्रेजेंटेशन. Some basic shapes and boxes include flowchart that are used for explaining steps and algorithm. Right? All boxes, flowcharts, they are connected with rows to show the logical connection between them, and they are from top to bottom. Flowchart starts with start box and end with terminal box. अब यहाँ पे आपको examples दिया है, so that the number greater than 2. So आपने input करा P and Q. Is P और Q equal? अगर equal है, yes, both number are equal. If no, P क्या होगा? ग्रेटर होगा. यस, तो P इज ग्रेटर. अगर Q ग्रेटर होगा, अगर P ग्रेटर नहीं है तो नो, Q इज ग्रेटर. एंड देन स्टॉप. नाउ टू डिटरमाइन वेदर स्टूडेंट इज पास द एग्जाम और नॉट. इनपुट ग्रेड्स ऑफ 4 सब्जेक्ट. आप इनपुट करोगे M1, M2, M3 एंड M4. यू विल कैलकुलेट एवरेज ग्रेड M1, M2, M3, M4 डिवाइडेड बाय 4. इफ द एवरेज ग्रेड इज लेस देन 60, अगर लेस देन 60 होगा, यू विल प्रिंट फेल, एल्स यू विल प्रिंट पास. देखो, इज ग्रेड नो, प्रिंट पास. Yes, to print fail. Right? This is all about in this chapter. Now we will do the exercise. Now, first is an algorithm is written in a dash language. कैसी language में लिखा है? Simple. A pictorial representation of steps on an algorithm that is used for solving specific problems. It is your flowchart. The process of drawing a flowchart of an algorithm is called evolution. Dash is used to take input from the user, that is input output. Dash connects the boxes in the flowcharts. तो क्या connect करता है आपका? decision boxes. Next is the steps by step procedure for solving any problem is called algorithm. Now fill in the blanks. A dash refers to pictorial representation of steps or algorithm that is used for solving specific problem. A flowchart. And dash is a set of sequential steps that are needed to solve any mathematical or logical problem. Algorithm. Dash box is used for checking and applying a condition, that is decision box. Dash box represents start or stop a program. Start and stop. Next is dash show the direction of the program flow, that is actions. Now write T for true and F for false statement. Flowcharts are used to solve a specific problem, that is true. Algorithm is a pictorial representation of the logic of a program. False. Connectors connect boxes in the flowchart. Yes, true. Flowchart is a written description of programming language. False. Diagrammatic. General flow of any flowchart is from bottom to top, right to left. It's true. Bottom, top to bottom, and it's false. Now answer the following question. What do you understand by algorithm? Algorithm क्या है? Then you have to tell the purpose of making flowcharts. हम क्यों बनाते हैं? आपको differentiate करना है algorithm और flowcharts में. What is the use of input and output blocks and what are connector lines? Connector lines को हम किस लिए use करते हैं वो आपको बता. Right? Hope you understood. Now we have completed this chapter. That's all for today. Thank you.